day one. I don't know, probably 2 or 3 hours into this project. And this is where I'm at. I've got all the front end pulled off of it. This thing's got a really nice little stance to it. I took all of the back piece off here that was holding the license plate holder and the tail light and all of that. I've kept that plastic piece over here. After I get the seat and stuff on, I may see what I'm going to do about this. We may run this thing just naked frame from here back. I'm not sure yet, but got the freaking exhaust off. Them things weigh like, I don't know, 20 freaking pounds a piece. Those things are heavy as crap. So that's like free performance upgrades there. I got a pile of stuff that come off. There's all the junk that held the rears on. Those things are a couple of pounds a piece easy. I'm gonna say probably close to 3 pounds a piece. And that whole conglomeration's probably a good, I don't know, 8 pounds or so. The freaking horn, just the bracket that holds that horn, there's a good probably 2 or 3 pounds on that alone. That stuff there, that's the rear piece I was telling you about that come off the back. I was going to cut it all down, but I didn't know that all unbolted. So, and then pulled that little goofy grab handle off the back. There's a few pounds there. Like I said, those things were freaking massive. And those little shorty mufflers going back on are probably 1/4 the weight. But she's coming on along. I snapped a picture earlier. I had stuff propped up, not mounted, so it's not left, right, up, down, centered, nothing. I just kind of propped it up, tied it on with a wire tie, like you use on a bread tie, just to kind of get a general vague idea. And we'll show that picture here in a moment that I sent to my son, just to kind of give him a vague idea. But yeah, I'm down here and hot and tired, and I'm going to call it a day for today. I don't have many days to work on this, but I'm just ready to call it a day for today. I got the fuel tank obviously off and the airbox off, so I still got to get the carbs off. Down in here, I can't even get these little boots. Boot here and a boot here and on the other two sides, and I think somewhere in them little rubber boots is going to be our failure point for the high idle issue, because when it was stone cold it would idle perfect, and once it warmed up it would idle just screaming high. So I don't know, we'll figure that out. We'll go through all that. I never could get this off, so I've got to deal with that. But getting those exhaust pipes off, man, that was a mother bear. Oh, one other thing I've noticed, I did not notice this when I picked the bike up, but I did notice it in and amongst working on this, is we got leakage. Fork seals are blown on the front, and obviously I got the foam or the rubber grips off. I took that plastic cover over the fuse box off because it's going to be painted, so I gotta clean it, strip it down, and paint it. Got the mirrors off, so I just don't have the energy to go like I used to. But anyway, and I still got to deal with my bent lumpy jaw kickstand. Yeah, that's going to be fun. Until next time, stay tuned to Cowled Adventures.